What if your greatest skill became your greatest curse? Meet Actaeon, a skilled hunter who wandered too far into the woods one fateful day. While tracking his prey, he stumbled upon a secluded glade where the radiant goddess Artemis bathed in a crystal clear spring. This moment was ethereal, filled with awe and beauty, but Actaeon's eyes held a secret, one that would seal his fate forever. Enraged by his intrusion, Artemis transformed him into a majestic stag, stripping away his humanity. Suddenly, the hunter became the hunted. In despair, Actaeon fled, calling out for help, but his voice was now the bellow of a great beast. Tragically, his own hunting dogs, loyal companions, failed to recognize their master. They pursued him relentlessly, drawn by instinct rather than recognition. In a cruel twist of fate, they cornered him and tore him apart, unaware of the man he once was. Actaeon's story serves as a cautionary tale, a reminder that even the noblest of pursuits can lead to devastating consequences when one disrupts the sacred. This haunting tale of transformation, loss, and the seductive power of the divine resonates through the ages, forever echoing in the annals of mythology.